All right. It's Monday morning, January 10th, and we're back to doing some live day trading this morning. We got a couple hot stocks moving around this morning. We got one big gapper. We got some action in the overall market. We've got AMC. We're going to make some money with AMC today. Who would have thought you could make money with AMC? But I think sometimes you can trade AMC and you can make some money. So we're going to break down the trade, show you guys the entries, the exits, and all that fun stuff right here in this video. So this morning we're looking at a few different stocks. We got ZNGA. You can see a huge gap up there from the $6 area up there to $8.80 right now, starting to percolate, trying to figure out which way it wants to go here on the 15-minute chart. You've got the EMAs right there, support-wise. So kind of seeing if this can get back above $9. I want to see if it can push above 9, and then maybe I'll get excited about something happening here. But right now, looking like it might just want to sell off here after that big gap up, but let's see. We'll look to maybe jump in on AMC above 21.83 for a pop above 22 here if it kind of rebounds. The nice thing about AMC is there's lots of volume on it. You can see right now there's almost 4 million shares traded. So I'm going to jump in there on AMC, see if we can get a quick pop back above $22 here on a rebound. Play with a stop here at the 2160s. Bouncing around there. 2160 my stop on this trade. 2190, looking for a push 22, just to push back up into this resistance area there at the EMAs is what I'm thinking. 2194, I'm gonna try to sell half there just to lock it down and look for that move above 22 for the rest. So I'm gonna jump out there, just not getting back above 22, so we're gonna lock down that profit. Just not liking that move. Would have liked to see a quicker push up above $22. We can see running into resistance there, just starting to sell back off now down to 2170 again. Tilray starting to make a move here up there, 760 now. You can see a big move here on the 5-minute chart this morning. Pretty nice little setup on the 15-minute chart actually. You can see here on the 15-minute chart how that would have looked really nicely to get that breakout here at open, breaking out over that 720. So we'll keep an eye on it to see if we can find another setup here on some of the smaller time frames. But you can see on the scanner TLRY popping up there on the scanner. The only problem about TLRY is it's got 440 million shares in the float, so it's got a large float, and you know, looks like there's a decent amount of volume on it right now with 24 million shares traded. But let's see if it can actually get going here and make a move. Looking at the daily chart here in terms of resistance, you got resistance here at the 769 area here on the daily chart. So watching it closely here. I might look for a short actually. I'm going to short here at the 750s. I think we can get a drop back here to the 730 or lower. My stop will be 769 here for a short. Hold below 770 here. That resistance at the 769 area. I'm going to cover half right there just in case it wants to squeeze back up on me. Showing some decent strength here. A little bit of a battle. Might have been too early to short here. Hey, if you want to learn more about the broker that I use and the scanner that I use, check out the links down below. You can get some exclusive offers through the YouTube channel, and check out Interactive Brokers and Trade Ideas Scanner. To learn more about the tools that I use for trading every day, check them out down below. I'm going to jump out there and look to short higher up here. Get a little bit more overextended here. And then we short. Maybe 775, 770 area, 780 area, I should say. All right, now we're short there at 776. There we go, 465, pulling back. I think we can get lower here. I think 750 is very doable for this pullback here. This stock right here, BBLG, just popped up to the 550. It's got a move going on here. I'll show you in a second. The 550 area break was important because that was pre-market high to break over that 550 here. So looking for a squeeze up right now, looking very tasty to the upside here. We got 6.6 million shares traded here. You see on the scanner, BBLG popping up there on the Trade Ideas scanner. It's got a 7 million share float. BBLG is halted. TLRY at 460, looking for a break below 460 here. Taking some there. You can see locking it down. Got 1,000 shares left. We're at the 760s. We covered there at 758. Starting to reverse back. I'm going to go ahead and cover there just to get out. Still a nice little green trade there. We got to a low of 757 there from that short up here at the 780s. Remember, 778 down to a low, not a low, but 757 area. So BBLG reopening here at the $6 level, looking for a push above 6. We're up 4. Oh my gosh, it's going. We're going to sell half. Oh, I think I sold all of it. So we ended up selling all of it there and getting locked. Oh my gosh, it's still going. Look, 645 now. What in the world? So it reopened from the halt there at the 575 area all the way up there to 649, and we locked it down right there. You can see there on 1,000 shares, buying there at 558, selling at 606. I got a terrible fill. I thought I was selling half there, but not exactly sure. We got $473 from that one trade there with 1,000 shares. So BBLG popped up on the scanner. See, at 9:50, it was alerted there on the scanner when it was $5.15. And you can see right now up there to a 6.15, above $6 here on the 1 minute chart with a high of 6.50 up there. So pretty insane move. We'll look to see if we can get another breakout here, maybe get back above 625, and then we can get a push above 640, look to buy there. But right now, looking a little choppy-woppy. Choppy-woppy, it's my new word for stocks. That stock is looking really choppy-woppy. The only thing is, if you look over here, look at this thing on the, if you look over here at the overall daily chart on this stock, look at how much it's popped up and just dropped back down on the daily chart. So I'm not going to go chasing this thing, that's for sure. We're going to go ahead and just kind of watch it fizzle out here, I think, at the $6 level. No point in chasing this thing unless it really looks crazy. Unless it really looks crazy. You can see the SPY here. This is the 1 minute chart on the SPY. Look at the 5 minute chart. It's been nothing but red, red, red for the first 30 minutes of the market open. Now down there to $458 on the SPY. From the 463s down there to 458 now, and continuing to sell, man. It just continues to go lower here. Pretty insane move on the overall market on the SPY right now. Looking for some type of relief bounce here. I'm thinking maybe this could be a good opportunity. I mean, 456 being our kind of bottom of this candle here, but really, I guess, buy some 460 call options on the SPY, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. I'm looking for some type of reason to jump in here, but this thing right now has just been sell for quite some time here on the SPY. So it's down 1.6% on the day right now. Bloody, baby. Bloody. There's blood in the streets. TLRY, look at TLRY down to a low of 738. Remember, we shorted up here. It went to all the way down there to 738. Oh my gosh. Come on, daddy. Let's go. AMC down there to 2170, just popping around. It did get that initial, I guess it got that pop up there above $22 that we were looking for, to a high of $22.12 on AMC this morning. So a couple stocks moving around. I feel like that's pretty much going to be the day for me, especially with the overall market just getting crushed right now. A lot of stocks just not really holding up here. So you can see BBLG around that $6 area, still kind of flirting with the idea of squeezing up here again. Yeah, I think it's one of those days. One of those days where it's just better off to kind of sit back and wait and watch than to go crazy jumping into every single trade that you see or every single stock that goes up. So pretty much on the scanner this morning, we had ZNGA at the top of the scanner. You can see it's down there to 870 now and just not wanting to go there. So there it is. Monday, January 10th. Making a little bit of, well, I guess imaginary money here today, but making some trades this morning and trying to get something going on. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.